I wanna show you how to make a Luma Fade Cinematic Transition effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already prepared the 2 video clips with the cars. First of all, choose the second clip and drag it to the point where you want that Luma effect will start. Go to the effects and write Gradient Wipe. Drag the Gradient Wipe on the second clip. Go to the effects control and click on the transition completion. The first stopwatch icon will appear. Change the value from 0 to 100. And following, move your timeline 1 or 2 seconds ahead. Again, change the value from 100 to 0. The second stopwatch icon will appear. And let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.